Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the removal and replacement of single mechanical seals in a Revolution Series pump using our seal kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to ensure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: the provided seal removal tool, an O-ring pick, and a compatible assembly lubricant. Each Viking Pump seal service kit and elastomer kit contain all required spare parts and special tools. To begin, remove the static seal housings from the pump body using the seal removal tool. Remove and discard the seal faces, wave springs, and O-rings from each static seal housing. One O-ring is located on the OD of each seal face, and two others are located on the OD of the seal housing. Next, remove and discard the rotary seal faces from the back of each rotor, as well as the rotary seal O-rings. Some older models also feature a washer cushion between the rotor and the rotary seal face. These are no longer used. If included with your pump, please remove and discard them. Do not reuse them. You are now ready to install new single mechanical seals. Lightly lubricate the rotary seal O-rings with a compatible lubricant and fit them into the back of each rotor. Next, insert the rotary seal faces into the back of each rotor. Be sure to fit the lugs into the anti-rotation holes in the rotor. Lubricate and install the static seal housing O-rings and install them into the OD grooves. Do this for each seal housing. Lubricate and install the static seal face O-ring into the OD groove on the seal face. Install the wave spring and seal face into the housing. Ensure that the slot on the seal face aligns with the lugs in the seal housing. Do this for each static seal face and housing. Insert the seal housings into the rotor case, ensuring that the radius cutout aligns with the anti-rotation washer in each bore. Do this for each seal housing. Ensure that the housings are fully seated to allow for proper reassembly. Your Viking Pump Revolution Series pump has new single mechanical seals and is ready for reassembly. For more information, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.